sa fayong pagka.
Hello! You're so cute! Hi! You're beautiful! Friends?
Yes! Let's explore together!
अब हमें शादी कर लेनी चाहिए।
आप अपने पेरेंट्स को मेरे पेरेंट्स से बद करने का खे।
You are not welcome here. This is our family. Leave now.
But I have nowhere else to go.
Go!
We are so sorry.
And we thank you. We happily accept you.
I'm so happy.
We're sorry for doubting you. Thank you for your kindness. Thank you for your understanding.
Welcome to the family.